Yo, so what's up, chat? So today I'm gonna make a new food. I don't know if you heard this before because I just figured it out yesterday. It's called sandwich dogs. I think I've changed the name of that. So first, grab your tongs, which is right here. So you want to grab like a sausage or two because I'm making this for me and my brother, so that's why. Now you want to cut one with. Now you want to cut it like right here. And then just go forward. Dude. Okay. Now I'm just gonna cut the other one. So the easiest way to cut with using this small dagger is to stab the food and then like use this part to like. So as you can see, I cut it in half. Now I'm going. Now you want oil, cooking oil, actually. No, like yeah, I think this is good. Now I'm gonna wash my hands again. It's so oily. Who put this here? Now I need tongs to put this on the side and like put it on. First time cooking, by the way. Oh, I think I did too much of a splash. Oh, this looks good. I'm gonna wait. I just don't need. So, anyways, now we're gonna go. We're gonna go grab the bread and where's my dagger? Whatever. Stop.
No, there's a baby crocodile over there.
Okay, later. Okay, so anyways, you'll need your bread and I'll wait for this to finish sizzling first. Wait, let me check, bro. Is it good? How long? Give me a spatula. Is this good? Is this good? Now you gotta flip it. Didn't know. Thank God it did hit me. Didn't know cooking was like this fun. Now I want to be a chef. So, is this good right now? I'm gonna wait until it's good. Anyway, so you want to grab your bread, your hot dog bun, and then use your bread knife right here to. Okay, I think it's broken. Simple as that. So I recommend this brand right here. It's very good. So is it good enough already? Is it good enough yet? So do I have to flip it? Oh, yo, it looks good. It's golden brown. It looks so good, bro. Yo. Looks so good. Huh? So, I think it's done now, so, yo. Chat, not gonna lie, it looks so good. I'm gonna put it on the bread layer. Ah! I wasn't done sizzling the bread. I needed to put the bread on. No, I need to put it back. Yeah. So now you want to grab a different pair of tongs because that one's This one has oil. This one has oil. Oh, turns out you could just wash it. I'm so dumb. Now, you will want to put this. Oh, my God. Editor, cut. So now we need butter. Also, I replaced the bread. No, I did not throw it in the bin. I'm not waste. I like bread. And we got butter. Now we need another knife. I'm gonna, how do I, just a little bit, I guess. This is my first time cooking, bro. Don't judge me. And Gordon Ramsay, if you're seeing this, don't judge me. This is my first time. Also, comment how it looks. I'm gonna put this right here. And now I'm gonna wait for the butter. I'm gonna wait for the butter to sizzle. Oh my God, no! I'm gonna wash my face. And meanwhile, that I'm going to. Oh! And I'm gonna. And I think it's done. So now you want to grab this tongue. You want to grab your tongs and put the bread on only like this side for a couple of seconds. No, I'm gonna butter it for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna butter the bread for a while. My cutting on bread is uneven. So I think we should press it on. Now we're gonna remove the first one. Yeah, this one looks good already. And we're gonna remove the second one now. Third one already looks good too. Okay, now we're gonna do the fourth one. I'm gonna wait for it. I wonder why things keep turning into crabs. Humans. Yeah, this is why we're turning into crabs. Anyways, we're gonna need this one. Now, I think we need a separate plate. Wait. This is my plate. I'm gonna put it right here. So now you want this. You want a bottom bun. You need a bottom bun right here. And then after that, can I go get that, please? Yeah. So you'll need to put, so first you'll get ketchup. Heinz tomato ketchup. So you're gonna put, oh, I messed up. Now this is good. Sans be pro. And then you're gonna put this like here, like this. This looks good. And then after that, you're gonna need a top bun. Oh wait. Now I'm gonna put the mayonnaise. And I think this is gonna taste so bad, bro. And mustard on the sides so it doesn't touch the butter. Now you're gonna get a top bun. Oh wait, no, a top bun, and then like put it on. This is a top bun. Now you're gonna repeat it for the others. Yeah, you're gonna repeat it. Ketchup. And then you're gonna get this. Now you're gonna need the mayo. And the mustard. Yo, help me tag Gordon Ramsay in this. And after that, finally put the bread on top. And I'm gonna get this to my brother. So, cut the video and I'm gonna eat it. Okay, so I'm at the table, so I'm gonna see. Is it good or not? I'm basically gonna like film myself eat the entire thing, but I think, yeah, go eat it, try it, and
What about me?
try it.
Okay.
Ooh, added mustard to it. Subscribe if I should be a chef. Cut.